Why should you choose Jay's HVAC Comfort Club? HVAC maintenance is a lot like having a dental checkup. Has your dentist ever found a cavity that you didn't know you had? Without your maintenance checkup, it could have grown into a huge problem, maybe even a root canal. But because he caught it early enough, you avoided the pain and additional cost and visits. However, unlike your teeth, your heating and cooling has a lot of moving parts. In our area, your heat pump runs around 3,000 hours a year. If your car ran for 3,000 hours at 35 miles per hour, it would go around the world almost 4 times. You'd never dream of driving your car that far without proper maintenance. It just wouldn't be safe, and your car would eventually break down. Our maintenance checklist allows our technicians to see any issues with your HVAC system before they become problems. And problems always come at the most inopportune times. Think about it. Air conditioning always breaks on the hottest day, which means your problem is already last on the list and will be behind other urgent repairs that day. No one wants to rearrange their schedule and be stuck sitting in a hot house hoping you're next on the list. Some companies think maintenance is just changing filters. But at Jay's HVAC, proper maintenance is about performance, longevity, and safety. So when we come to your home, we test each part on your heating and cooling system and take voltage measurements to tell us how the system is performing. We go through a checklist provided by your equipment manufacturer so we know where potential problems are before they become a problem, and so you can keep your system performing at top capacity. Just like your car, if small things aren't fixed, they can cause major problems. Did you know that if your refrigerant charge is just 5% low, your system is only running at 2/3 its capacity? And only an 1/8 inch of dust on your blower wheel can dramatically reduce your airflow by up to 45%. The small things could cause big increases in your utility bill. That's why maintenance is so important. A maintenance plan will help keep your utility bill low, promote healthy clean air, and prolong equipment life. And most people forget it is also required by all equipment manufacturers to uphold their warranty. To learn about how Jay's HVAC Comfort Club can help you save money and maintain a safer system, give us a call right now and ask about our 4 different maintenance options to fit your budget. Call us at 336-786-2073. It's hard to stop a Trane.